residential hostel kam coaching center mission bank thang ai zo hostel le day full time a coaching du tan 90893 thom 481 isem mai he a contact he voina kan zir tum he alphanumeric series based questions atrangin ani hemi alphanumeric series atrangin questions a big in prelims the mains a kalki ve achanga pathum achanga pangate ani wangin very important topics kha ani jentu mi questions a kan kan dun nga langa read the following alphanumeric series carefully and answer the given questions ti ha ani so hey 0 6 5 f percentage to $M4EQ hex RT at the rate of AZ at the rate of CNSN 5A. Hey, alphanumeric series ha ane. So in condition pani lupia step pani ha ane. Step khana akhan if a symbol is immediately preceded and followed by a letter, then write between A and Z. Panhina step number 2 are if a number is immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a letter, write it between M and 4. Note aloda step 2 is performed after completion of step 1. Tihi ane. Ani chen helai khan kan points kan share tu step number 1 ha engtin nge unlocal dir ti hi ani chumi yom zia cho if a symbol if a number te polo ti thiam if a consonant if a vowels ti te point alo don ani ma semi ya chan in loven khan if a symbol alo ti chuan helai khan symbol hi omma sadon ti na ani symbol amanga chuan immediately preceded and followed by a letter kan symbol ma khan letter auma chuan symbol zone nu khan letter alo chuan a number kha a symbol kha a le z in kara invada amtina ani chumi yum je chu hela ya khan enta ila step number 1 kha symbol omna te kha inen chon hei hi symbol omna nia symbol ani ani chen in lo n khan symbol is immediately preceded by a letter in lo n hey he preceded by a letter ani chen next are followed by a letter name nilo ani next hey in lo n le chon preceded by ama mi chi tinani preceded kan ti chen ama mi chi kha letter anilo hey po hin thelo ma se he mi case in lo n chi khan symbol is immediately preceded by a letter ania chuan immediately followed by a letter ani chumi chi khan hemi a le z in kara hemi symbol kha heta in lo da chi chuan adang inen le khan hei t at the rate of a da in lo n khan hei hi preceded by a letter ania ba se followed by a number ani chumi chuan hei at the rate of a kha a le z in kara in da theilo chuan hemi case in lo en le khan ama mi chi khan letter ania azo che mi po hi letter ani ba chuan hemi at the rate of c kha hemi a le z in kar in lo da the dinani chumi yum zia to step number 1 atranga kan mu suwa step number 1 hemi in lo arrange le khan enge niang kan ti chuan 0 ka tia o 6f percentage to dollar M4E Q R T at the rate of A 8 adianga chuan hemi Q le R in kar ami ka hex kha heta in lo da chutiang bok chuan hemi K sa po khat om the ni bang chuan hemi at the rate of C kha hemi 8 le Z in kar khan in da ngai dina ani chuan Z and S and 5A dinari. Hey, he step number 1 atranga kan muso ka ani. I just step number 2 ka en le ta ila step number 2 khan engtin nge unload da kan ti chuan if a number is immediately preceded by a symbol and immediately followed by a letter chumi zia chu number kha alaya don tina ni chuan ama chi a khan symbol omanga chuan hemi symbol zo number zo khan enge tur immediately followed by a letter hetiang forma number te kha in lo en khan hei hi ani number ania hei hi number te kha ani chuan in lo en khan number ma chi a symbol na chu hei hi ni lo phata hei hi ani number ma chi khan symbol ma ani chuan a zo chi khan letter lo ani chuan hei po hi kan la thei lo tin ani step number 2 a chuan next a hemi number in lo en khan ama chi khan symbol lo hei po hi thei lo chuan hemi in lo en chuan 8 ma chi a khan enge kha symbol tro chumi ani wang chuan hemi case a zo chi khan letter ani ma se hemi hi a input ka divide nge a alphanumeric series ani wang chuan hemi a en to vin step number 1 turn in lo en to ang chumi ni wang chuan hemi hi 6 2 chuan 4 8 5 in lo enang ani chuan ama chi a khan hemi number ma chi a khan symbol lo hemi number ma chi khan symbol a zo chi khan number letter lo chuan helai khan symbol lo tro chuan heta khan symbol ma a zo chi khan letter ni lo a chen helai khan in en le khan 5 ma chi khan symbol ma a zo chi khan letter ani chumi ni wang chuan helai step a khan hemi 5 a hi khoi nge kan da ang kan ti chuan m le 4 in gara khan in lo da ang m le 4 in gara chumi zia chu step number 2 chu o 6f percentage to dollar m anianga m le 4 in gara da tura ti wang chuan hemi 5 a kha heta in lo da ang 4 e q r t at the rate of a hex at the rate of c z n s n a in an hey step number 1 le step number 2 kan lo mu chu na kha ani a questions a khan kan lut anga helaya a questions number 1 a khan hey hi ani how many numbers are there which is immediately preceded by a letter if all the vowels are dropped from the sequence after step 1. Step 1 ania hey option kha A none, B 1, C 2, D 3, E 4. A note in the step 2 is performed after step 1 ki hiani. To the question in kan how many numbers are there which is immediately preceded by a letter if all the vowels are dropped from the sequence after step 1. Step 1 zo nuwa mi kha ani alo zo kha. Chubini wangchen helaya in end to